Hello my students, how are you? Today we will solve the test about Unit 9 assessment, okay? Unit 9 assessment from المعاصر book. Look at question number 1, choose the correct answer. Letter A. 1 over 6 divided by 3 or 1 over 6 subtract by 1 over 9. First, we convert from whole numbers to fraction, right? 1 over 3, because we convert from division to multiplication. And then 1 times 9, 1 equal 1, and 3 times 6 equal 18. And what about 1 over 6 subtract 1 over 9? We can write the least common multiplication between them, it will be 18. Okay, because 9 can't be divided by 6. So 9 plus 9 equal 18. 18 can be divided by 6. 18 divided by 6 equal 3. 3 times 1 equal 3. 18 divided by 9 equal 2. 2 times 1 equal 2. 3 minus 2 equal 1. 1 over 18. We must write equal to about this example. And what about letter B? Letter B here. 2 and 3 over 4 times what equal 1. We can write 4 here. 2 times 4 equal 8 plus 3 equal 11. 11 over 4 times 4 over 11 equal 1. You will write 4 over 11. Choose letter A about this question, okay? Don't forget, okay? Don't forget to choose. You must remember to choose letter A. Okay, letter C here. 4 times 2 in brackets plus 2. 4 times 2 over 7 in brackets plus third times 2 in brackets and third multiply by 2 over 7. 4 repeated here, we must write 4. And third repeated, so we must 4 and third. 4 and third, okay? 4 and third. Multiply by what here? 2 and 2 over 7. 2 and 2 over 7. We're using distributive properties. Look at here, 4 times 2 and 4 times 2 over 7. And then we have here third, it's meaning third multiplied by 2. Third here multiplied by 2. And third multiply 2 over 7. Understood? We must choose what here? Letter P. We must choose letter B about question letter C. Question D. 0.25 multiplied by 6 over 7. We know 0.25, it's meaning 1 over 4 times 6 over 7. We can simplify it by divided by 2 numerator and numerator. 4 divided by 2 equal 2 and 6 divided by 2 equal 3. 1 times 3 equal 3 and 2 times 7 equal 14. Letter C, choose letter C. Question letter E. The opposite models represent space. Look at with me about this model. We have how many vertical? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Right, 7 in the numerator. We colored here. He colored 1. Look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we must 6 over 7. And then how about horizontal here? How many row? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right, 5 here. He colored 1, 2, 3. 0. So we must choose letter what? 6 over 7 multiply 3 over 5. Letter D. We must choose letter B. He used distributive properties here. 3 over 5 multiply 6 over 7. Okay, it's letter D. Question F. 2 and letter F. Okay, my students? It's from معاصر, okay? Letter F. Letter F. 2 2 and 2 over 3 multiplied by 3 over 5, right? 3 in the numerator, 2 times 3 equals 6, 6 plus 2 equals 8. And then 3 over 5, 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 1 times 8 equals 8, 1 times 5 equals 5, right? 5 in the numerator, 8 divided by 5 equals 1, and the remainder 3. Choose letter B about this example. Which shall letter G? 7 divided by half. Right, 7 here, and convert from divided to multiplication and write the inverse about 1 over 2. It will be 2 over 1. 2 times 7 equals 14. So you must choose letter C about this example. Now we will solve complete. Okay, this example here. Complete. Letter A. Question number 2. Complete. 3 over space times 5 over 8 equal 15 over 56. We know 3 times 5 equal 15 and 8 times 7 equal 56. We must write 7 here about letter A. Letter B. If 9 divided by k equal 126, then k equal. We want to find here the divisor. The divisor k must be equal 9 divided by 126. 126 can divide by 3 or not? We know 1 plus 2 equals 3, 3 plus 6 equals 9. Then 126 can divide by 3, so we can simplify it. Right, in the fraction k equal 9 over 126, and then we can simplify it. You can find the result in one all step, or you can simplify by divided by 3 to find the simplest form. 9 divided by 3 equals 3, 12 divided by 3 equals 2, and 6 divided by 3 equals 2. Understood? It is, 12 divided by 3, it's 3. 12 divided by 3 equals 4, and 6 divided by 3 equals 2. It will be 3 over 42. We can simplify it by divided by 3 numerator and numerator. 3 divided by 3 equal 1, and 4 divided by 3 equal 1, and the remainder 1. 12 divided by 3 equal 4. So the result will be 1 over 14. Then k equal 1 over 14. Understood or not? Okay, about letter P. We must write 1 over 14 about this example. Question letter C. 3 over 4 subtract 5 over 8 equal space divided by 4. Who can solve this example? We can find the result by right least common multiplication about 3 over 4 and 5 over 8. It will be 8 because 8 can divide by 4. 8 divided by 4 equals 2, 2 times 3 equals 6, and then the result will be 1 over 8. 1 over 8 equals space divided by 4. To find the dividend here, it will be such that x, okay? I will write here x, it's unknown number. X refers to the dividend. To find the dividend, we must find the multiplication about the divisor and the quotient, okay? To find the dividend, we must find the result about the divisor and quotient. It's a divisor and it's a quotient. X equal 4 times 1 over 8. 4 times 1 over 8, we can simplify it by divided by 4 numerator and denominator here. 4 divided by 4 equal 1. And 8 divided by 4 equal 2. Then the result will be 1 times 1 equal 1 and 1 times 2 equal 2. Then we must write here half. The result will be what? Half. Okay? Half divided by 4 equal 1 over 8. So we must write in space here, this space, write 1 over 2. What shall letter D? 25 divided by 6 equal 2.5 multiply 1 and in space over 3. Who can solve this example? It's very easy. Don't worry, I will help you, okay? 25 divided by 6. We can convert this example in the simplest form. Yes, we know 25 divided by 6 equal 25 divided by 6, and 2.5, write 2 in the numerator. 2 times 2 equal 4, 4 plus 1 equal 5, and write 3 here. 1 and space. We can find this value first and then write the number in numerator. Thinking about this example, to find this fraction, you must divide it 25 over 6 by 5 over 2. So 1 and space over 3, it will be 25 over 6 divided by 5 over 2. Understood? Okay. Pay attention about this example. 25 divided by 6. We must convert here from divided to multiplication. And write the inverse about this fraction, 2 over 5. 2 divided by 2 equal 1, and 6 divided by 2 equal 3. 5 divided by 5 equal 1. 25 divided by 5 equal 5. It will be what? 1 times 5 equal 5. And 1 times 3 equal 3. Okay, it's very easy here. 5 over 3 equal 1 and the remainder 2. 5 divided by 3 equal 1 and the remainder 2. So we must write 2 here in the space. Okay, understood? Write 2 here. Write in this space 2. Understood, my students? We must write 2 here. Okay, understood this example? You must all steps, know all steps, okay, and write after me to know all steps. It's very easy, okay? Write 2 here. The result will be 2. Again, the result will be 2. Okay, my students, the result will be what? 2. Okay, question letter E. Question letter E. 1 over 2 multiply 2 over 3 multiply 3 over 4 multiply 4 over 5 and so on, multiply 6 over 7. We can cancel 2 by 2, 3 by 3, 4 by 4, 5 by 5, because we have 5 and 6 by 6. The result will be 1 over 7. The result will be 1 over 7. Okay, question letter F. If 1 over 3 divided by m equal 1 over 12, then m equal space. He asked about what here? He asked about the divisor. To find the divisor, we must find the result about what? 1 over 3 divided by 1 over 12. Because 1 over 3 is greater than. Okay? To find the divisor, you must find the result about the dividend and the quotient divided between them. Okay, divided 1 over 3 by 1 over 12. Write 1 over 3 and write multiplication here and write 12 over 1. 12 divided by 3 equal 4. So we must write 4 here. Then m equal b what? 4. We must write 4 here in this space, my students. Okay, question letter G. 3 divided by 1 over 5. It's very easy, my students. Yeah, it's very easy because we will convert, write 3 here, and then we can convert from divided to multiplication. It will be 5. 3 times 5 equal 15. We must write here 15. Question letter H. 2 over 5 multiply by 2 and 1 over 2. Write here 2 over 5 multiply 2 in numerator. 2 times 2 equal 4. 4 plus 1 equal 5. And then the result will be 1 because the multiplication about 2 over 5 and 5 over 2, it will be 10 over 10. It will be 1 or simplest. Okay. It's a multiplicative inverse. You remember it? We called it multiplicative inverse. Properties. Question number 3. Choose the correct answer. Letter A. 7 and 1 over 7 multiply by 9 over 8, or 7 and 1 over 7. We can write 7 here. 7 times 7 equal 49. 49 plus 1 equal 50. Times 9 over 8, or this number is 7 times 7 equal 49 plus 1 equal 50. So 9 we can cancel 2 digits here because it's equal. And we can write multiply by 1 here. 1 greater than or less than, 1 is less than 9 over 8. So 9 over 8, it will be greater than. We must write greater than here. Letter A. Choose letter A about letter A. Okay. Question letter B. If 6 over 23 times A equal 6 over 23 plus 6 over 23 plus 6 over 23. So we add them 3 parts, 3 times here. So A we must write here 3. So A equal 3 because we add 6 over 23 3 times. Then A equal 3. What about letter C about question number 3 here, letter C? If 6 over H equals 30, then H equals space. Who can tell me 6 divided what equals 30? It's very easy because we want to find what, mister? We want to find, he called it what? The divisor. We call the divisor here. If you want to find the divisor, you must divide it, the dividend by the quotient. So H equals 6 divided by 30. Convert it to fraction. 6 over 30 divided by 6 numerator and denominator. 6 divided by 6 equal 1 and 30 divided by 6 equal 5. The result will be 1 over 5. Question letter D. 3 and 1 over 3. So multiplication, the result will be 1, okay? And 3 divided by 1 over 3, we can write 3 here and write multiplication, convert it from divided to multiplication, and write the inverse about fraction. 3 times 3 equal 9. So 1 less than 9 about this example. Question letter E. 1 and 1 over 3rd multiply 1 and 1 over 4 equal space. We can write 3 here. 1 times 3 equal 3 plus 1 equal 4. And write 4. 1 times 4 equal 4 plus 1 equal 5. 4 divided by 4 equal 1. And then 5 times 1 equal 5. 1 times 3 equal 3. 5 divided by 3, write 3 in the numerator. 5 divided by 3 equal 1 and remainder 2. The result will be 1 and 2 over 3, okay? It's about question letter E. 1 and 2 over 3, letter H. Choose letter A about this example, my students, okay? Okay. Question letter F. Okay, we'll complete it here. Question. And letter F. 1 over 7 multiplied by M equal 1 over 21. Who can tell me to find the value of M? You must divide it. This number 1 over 21 divided by 1 over 7. M equal 1 over 21, and then convert from divided to multiplication and write the inverse about this fraction. It will be 7 over 1. So M equals 7 divided by 7 equal 1. 21 divided by 7 equals 3. 1 times 1 equal 1. 1 times 3 equal 3. So M must be equal 1 over 3. Okay? 1 over 3. You must study hard about this example. Okay? You must solve a question with yourself. Okay, my students? Study hard about this example. It's very important. Question letter G. 5 over 3 multiplied by 21 multiplied by 2 over 7. Who can tell me? We know 3 times 7 equal 21. We can cancel. 1, 1, and 1. 1, 2 times 5 equal 10. 10 divided by 1 equal 10. So the result will be equal 10. Letter D. Okay. Question number 4. Question number 4. Send each third of piece of bread each day for breakfast. If the loaf of bread contains 9 pieces, how many days of breakfast will the loaf of the bread provide? Who can tell me? Send each third of piece of bread each day for breakfast. If the loaf of the bread contains 9 pieces, how many pieces? 9 pieces. We have 9 pieces. And she eats third of piece bread each day. She wants 3 days to complete 1 piece. Okay, but she have 9 pieces, so 3 times 9 equal 27. So she wants 27 days to finish or eat 9 pieces. Okay. I will solve it here by steps. We can divide it. 9 by 1 over 3. It will be 9 multiplied by 3 equal 27 days. So how many days of breakfast will the loaf of bread provide? She provide 27 days to finish 9 pieces. Because she eats third of piece 1 day. Look at here. She eat in the breakfast third of the piece. So she wants 3 days to complete one piece, but she has 9 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. To complete about breakfast, eating of the breakfast all the day. She want what? She want 27 days because she eats one piece in 3 days. She want 3 days to eat one piece, but she have 9 pieces, so it will be finished about all piece by 27 days. Understood? Okay. Question letter B. Mariam is reading a chapter book. Mariam is reading a chapter book. She can usually read 7 1/3 pages in 1 hour. If she plans to read for 2 hours and 15 minutes, how many pages will she read? Look at here. She read 7 1/3 page in 1 hour. She want to count how many page she will read at 2 hours and 15 minutes. We know 2 hours and 15 minutes equal 2 and 4. 2 hours and 15 minutes, it's meaning 2 hours and 4 hours. We can convert 3 times 7 equal 21 plus 1 equal 22. And write 4 here. 2 times 4 equal 8 plus 1 equal 9. So we can simplify it. 4 divided by 2 equal 2. 22 divided by 2 equal 11. 9 times 11 equal 99. And 2 times 3 equal 6. Okay, we can convert to mixed number. 9 divided by 6 equal what? We can simplify first by divided by 3 numerator and numerator. 6 divided by 3 equal 2. And 99 divided by 3 equal 33. 33 divided by 2, we can write 3 divided by 2 equal 1, and the remainder 1. 13 divided by 2 equal what? 13 divided by 2 equals 6, and the remainder 1. So, she will read in 16 page and half. Again, Mariam reading a chapter of book. She can usually read 7 1/3 pages in 1 hour. If she plans to read 2 hours and 15 minutes, it's meaning 2 and 4. Okay? Again, my students, 2 hours and 15 minutes, it's meaning what? 2 and 4 hour. We convert 2 times 4 equal 8 plus 1 equal 9, and 3 times 7 equal 21 plus 1 equal 22. 22 divided by 2 equal 11, and 4 divided by 2 equal 2. 2 times 3 equals 6, and 9 multiply 11 equal 99. 99 divided by 6, we can simplify it by divided by 3 numerator and numerator. 6 divided by 3 here equal 2, and 99 divided by 3 equal 33. 33 divided by 2 equals 16, and the remainder 1. So she will read 16 and a half pages. Okay, 16 and a half pages. Question letter C. A teacher wants to give 4th of a box of a pencil to each student. He has 6 boxes of pencils. To how many students will he be able to give pencils? Thinking about this example with me, my students. Okay, the teacher wants us to give 4th of boxes of pencil to each student. He has 6 boxes. How many boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 boxes, okay? And he wants to find 4ths of box of a pencil. He wants to give 4th of a box of a pencil. He has 6 boxes. 6 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, and he gives 4ths about each box. We can write here 6 divided by 4. It will be 6 times 4. It will be 24 students. Okay, my students, 6 divided by 4 equals 6 times 4 equals 24 students. Question letter D. Write each result in the simplest form. 3 over 5 multiplied by 1.5. We can write 3 over 5 and 1.5, it's meaning 15 over 10. And then simplest here, 5 divided by 5 equal 1. 15 divided by 5 equal 3. 3 times 3 equal 9. 1 times 10 equal 10. The result will be 9 over 10. Question number 2. 1 over 5 divided by 4. We can write 1 over 5 multiplied by 1 over 4. 1 times 1 equal 1 and 4 times 5 equal 20. Okay, question number 3. 2 and 1 over 2 multiply 4 and 2 over 5. Write 2 here. 2 times 2 equal 4 plus 1 equal 5. 4 times 5 equal 20. 20 plus 2 equal 22. 5 divided by 5 equal 1. 2 divided by 2 equal 1. 22 divided by 2 equal 11. So the result will be equal 11. Question number 4. 3 divided by 1 over 8. We can write 3 here, and 8 divided by 1 equal 8. 3 times 8 equal 24. The result will be 24.